Okay, so here's the situation I'm in. I'm at the Mini dealership right now. Turns out I had a throttle body issue. So, it wasn't the catch can, it wasn't the diverter valve, it was the throttle body. This thing, which is made of plastic, was causing issues. So, yeah, that's fun. The good news is I have a fantastic technician here who has done me favors in the past, and he's fixing it for me. So we'll get this back on the road again, and then I can finally do some driving with it. Anyway, let's get back to some other stuff. So it's incredibly sunny today, and I'm out here at the Mini dealership while they fix the car because I didn't trust myself to do it. So what do we got here? Lots of new cars. There's always something interesting out here to look at. These are kind of sharp. So I usually don't like four-doors, but sorry about that. For some reason it was giving me the soap opera soft focus. But I normally don't like four-door Minis, assuming they are just the normal Cooper S. But these have a John Cooper Works tuning kit. No, I'm sorry, not tuning kit. These have a John Cooper Works body kit on them with the JCW wheels, side skirts, and they just look really, really good that way. And these also have the Chesterfield leather and malt brown inside. That is pretty. That is really pretty. This is also the new enigmatic black. Now, in the right light, you can see here, this hasn't been PDI'd yet, but as you can see here, look at that blue in the paint. It is just really pretty. I really like that. Anyway, this is another car. It's kind of cool. For some reason, Island Blue always looks really bright to me on the Countryman, but when you see it with the black roof and black stripes, it actually looks darker, and I really like it. Well, this is the new BRG, and this one's a convertible, so that's pretty cool. Here's a car up here they left unlocked. Now this one is enigmatic black, has the British spoke wheels like you saw on the orange car. This is a convertible though. That looks pretty sharp. Look at that. Blackjack side scuttles. The satellite gray Chesterfield leather interior. That is really sharp. Touchscreen navigation. The 8-speed automatic, I'm sorry, not 8-speed automatic, the 7-speed DCT. Wind screen in the back. And a $40,000 price tag. It's not bad. For a convertible, that's not bad. But anyway, that's what's going on right now. Now, some of you might ask, why did I take the car to the dealership to have this problem figured out? Well, the next garage day isn't soon enough for me to try to do it myself there, and even if I did take it there, I wouldn't have the parts. They happen to have a used throttle body here that is not sticking, that would be usable, so I figure I'd bring it here and have them work on it. Now, as you've seen in the previous videos, I was adjusting the catch can, disconnecting the catch can, all sorts of things. Turns out, it wasn't the catch can at all. The catch can had nothing to do with the system not working correctly. That being said, I'm hesitant to reinstall it, but for now, I'm going to see if the throttle body fixes the problem. And if it does fix the problem, then I'll put it back in. But anyway, the problem I've been having was that under hard throttle or in boost in that car, it would almost like it was skipping. It would, like, you'd floor it, it would go up, and then it would cut, and then it would start up again. So initially I thought it was a misfire, so I fixed the spark plug or the ignition coil wire, grounding wires. So thought that solved the problem. It didn't solve the problem. Thought it was the old catch can, that maybe there was a vacuum leak or causing a boost leak or something. So we tried to fix that. That didn't solve the problem. So the good news was I hadn't thrown a lot of money at the problem until I was absolutely sure what was going on. So we think we found the problem. The check engine light came on when I was on my way here, so that was a good thing. That means they were able to diagnose it, and it came up as throttle valve spring sticking or stuck, which they've obviously never seen before. That seems like a new thing for them, so kind of crazy. I mean, you never know what'll happen. And I'm trying to figure out what the BMW guys are thinking out here. So right now, the BMW dealership's under a massive renovation. So all the minis and everything and the BMWs are all crushed together in one lot. So this is funny. Blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. You think they're having a sense of humor out here? This is funny. They didn't do it with the Roadsters, though. Well, this is the new Barron BMW building. They did a massive renovation and added this new box onto the front of it. They'll eventually pave this whole area, and then the driveway will be open again, which will be nice. Because right now, that's kind of just one way in, one way out for them. Anyway, it's a nice day out here, so I'm probably just gonna go look at some more cars, so I'll be back in a bit. Not often I ride in the passenger seat of my own car, but the throttle body's in, so we're heading out and taking this thing for a test to see if it does what it should do, which is not do what it's been doing. And for privacy's sake, I'm not going to show the driver because he's a technician at the dealership. Holy crap! Anyway, back to the dealership. So the race car is all fixed up, so I can get on with my day. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like below. Don't forget to comment, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel, as I upload videos every Monday and Friday at 2 p.m. So until next time, I just want to remind you all that life is too short to drive a boring car. So as always, drive a Mini. I'll catch you later.